What is up? What is G? I am back for another video, and today we are gonna look at something new. Say hello to our new family member, Rocket. Rocket. And this is my dad, and this is Rocket.
You're not even getting him on camera.
Oh, there he is. Hey, yo. He's just a little puppy. I think he's like 3 months.
He's a beagle.
He's a beagle half weenie dog.
Yeah.
He's cute. We just got him from the pound.
We saved his life.
Yes. If we haven't, something bad could have happened. We got a little collar. We just got him.
Because he had surgery.
Yeah, he had surgery. We had to wait.
So he has to wear this big thing on his head.
Yeah, he's getting used to us. He really likes my dad here. He really likes him. Like, whenever he goes outside, he whines and goes to this and waits. Like he's leaving. And we got him some food and water. You can see there. But he's just a little baby. He can't be near dogs.
For a couple weeks.
Yeah. But he's really cute. His name is Rocket. It's a good name. I thought it wasn't, but now I look at him, it's a good name for Rocket. But this collar is soft for little guys like him. So it doesn't hurt him. It just is soft for him. So thank you. Hit the like button, subscribe, hit the bell, subscribe to the Awesome Bro channel and Ender Cactus and Lego Master. So see you for another video. Goodbye.